This is I call it the UVC oven.
Uh-huh.
So this is the UVC light.
Uh-huh. Don't turn that on me.
And it just goes in here.
Uh-huh.
And this is pretty snazzy. So what I did is I got
You have a door.
2 mirrors.
Oh, nice. Uh-huh.
So the mirrors are to help keep the light, maximize light usage.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, what's super cool is I need to do a little redesign, but a mirror will also fit on the bottom.
Yeah, I think that would, because then it hits down and then it
Yep.
reflects and it reflects.
So I gotta get one more mirror, and then I gotta do a little design mod.
Okay.
And then you got these nice little swinging gate doors, and you do a little switch, and they sit up there.
So you put the mask inside.
And you put the mask in here. Now, what's the reason the oven was created, and I put the filter in there anyways.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can close the doors.
Mm-hmm.
And what I had researched,
Phone.
what I had, it comes off. It like I hit let, and then it turns off on its own
Oh, good.
after like a minute or two.
Okay.
So that's where we did the math.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple. What I saw recommended was 2 inches for 20 seconds.
Okay.
This is about a 10-inch drop. So I just decided to do, you can put it in there and forget about it, which is nice. So now you're like, okay, should be good and clean to go.
Okay. Oh, and then it turned off on its own. Okay.
Yeah, turn off on its own.
Okay. Goes in the bag.
Today's
Dated.
420.
And sealed.
Medium. I'm not trying to sound better.
Great.